Hi, Rachel Curtis here, and I'm going to tell you about the National Science Teachers Association. Although I am not part of this association, this would be an association I would love to be a part of. This association supports science. They promote science and the teaching of it. Now, the reason why I would want to be a part of this is because I also support science in the classroom. I don't think it is supported enough, especially at the elementary level, and I think it should. About NSTA. Now over here, they have their official position statements. I'm going to go to that. Now they have many position statements. It's not just one, but they have many of them. These position statements include different levels of education and the different types of sciences and other science-related topics. So here are a few of their position statements right here. Their position statements include the teaching of evolution, aerospace education, the next generation science standards. They have high school, they have elementary, they have gender equality in science education. So many topics, many levels, and many types of sciences. So I'm going to go to the elementary school science one. Although it is under revision, the ideas are still there. Now, I fully support this position statement as an elementary teacher. The elementary science program must provide opportunities for students to develop understandings and skills necessary to function productively as problem solvers in a scientific and technological world. They put emphasis on the students becoming problem solvers, which is great. They do need to become problem solvers in science. We can't just be giving the information to them. They need to figure out and solve it themselves. They are involved in first-hand exploration and investigation, and inquiry process skills are nurtured. So these students need to be working with their hands. It can't just be a teacher standing up there telling them the information. Students need to discover this information for themselves. Now, their position keeps going on and on too, but it's all very valid. They also believe that assessments are essential components of elementary science programs. So yeah, we need to give our students assessments, but it also goes over the types of assessments and the purposes of them. Elementary school science instruction must reflect the application and implementation of educational research. It goes also into administration. So this is an excellent position statement. Now, NSTA also provides many resources too. They also have journals. So here we have their books and resource page. They have newsletters, they have journals. They have journals for the elementary level, the middle school, high school, and college level teachers, which is great for these teachers to have. So I went to the elementary one. So science and children. So they have a journal just for the elementary teacher. Some of their articles are right here, and some of the articles are free, which is great. So they don't just have journals, though. They also have lesson plans and ideas and other resources for teachers to use. They have a science store. They have different sites. They have websites you can go to that will also provide more information. So NSTA is an excellent association to be a part of, especially if you support science in the classroom. Thanks.